Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. This is not a crafting video. This is a FabFit Fun unboxing. I've already snuck peeks through it, and some of you already know that there's going to be, I'm going to be like poking fun at some of the stuff in here, and I think some of y'all will agree with my opinion. Anywho, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, my daughter and I, thought we were going to be really excited about this box. And I'm going to set this over here to the side and just bring the items up, because I think just a lot of it is a joke. So they send you a little information magazine to tell you the stuff that is in there. And yeah, there's that. They included these stickers. Yeah. Then I've got this $15 off your first FabFit Fun box. But I'm going to put a link down in the description if you guys want to go check it out. I have to say, this is probably the first box that we have, I'm going to say, that I'm disappointed with. We've gotten these for about 3 years now, maybe 4. And we've always been fairly happy. If you catch it in time, you can customize your box, but you can only customize like a couple of items, and then the rest they randomly pick for you. And I mean, unless you want to upgrade to customize it even more, but you know, I believe you have to pay for that like the year in advance, and I'm not paying a year in advance for this box because I think the boxes are $50 a piece anyway. So I'm not paying over $200, and you know, actually more than that, because you're paying more for more options. So yeah, no, I'm not doing that. So if anybody's interested, HelloFresh, 13 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. I don't know how many times that is good for. We're not going to use it. And I don't know what the requirements are either. Oh, you get 13 free meals across 4 boxes. So, yippee skippy. If anybody's used HelloFresh, let me know. I'll be honest, I haven't been really impressed with any of the commercials I've seen. But again, I haven't used it, so I can't give you an honest opinion. So the first thing I saw, I had to laugh at. They call it beauty rounds. And all they are, to me, they just look like little powder puffs, you know, when our moms were, you know, when we were little. But I guess supposedly you're supposed to use these to take your makeup off. I don't see it. And according to FabFit Fun, those little puffs are supposed to be $15 for those 3 little puffs. To me, this is something you could get at the Dollar Tree. Not impressed. Next, the next thing. Now, this one here, I about busted out laughing, because I'm like, they got this from the Dollar Tree. They had to have ordered this from the Dollar Tree company. Is this cheap little plastic drink cactus container. They call it the 21 ounce Cactus Cup. And according to them, this is where's it at? This is $20 for this. Tell me that this is not something we would see at the Dollar Tree. I would never, ever pay $20 for this. Not even if my life depended. No. Yeah, that's pretty sad. So we have a pink cactus. Or they call it the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. Well, it's purple, it's not pink. I'm just being facetious. Yes, I know. Now, we've gotten this before, and I do like this. This is the Human and Kind hand scrub made with elderflower and raspberry. And according to them, well, where are you? Oh. This is $15. It says, take extra care of your hands with this scrub that gently removes dead skin cells while leaving the hands oh so soft. And it does smell pretty good. I will give it that. Yeah, it does smell good. I'm not going to put a scrub on my hand right now because, yeah. My daughter is going to be excited about this. This was her pick, one of the customs that we got to choose. And it is the Monroe Classic Watch in Sunburst Soleil Rose. Strap on this timeless watch for a sophisticated look. They say, which I think is a joke, that this is a $105 watch. First off, a $105 watch is not going to come wrapped in plastic like that. It's got a little protector on there, but it's got one on the back too. Designed in Toronto, stainless steel case back. Watch a movement made in China. Classique collection. This is no $105 watch. Anyhow, so there's that. She'll wear it. She'll be happy. But yeah. Next we have the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. This, where is it? Give me a second, y'all. We gotta get a little edumacation going on here. It must be free. So no, there's not another page. It's not even listed. So I guess they just picked this up and threw it in here because it's not even listed as an item to choose from. Steel Mill, Mac, Verso, Alice and Olivia. I mean, unless I'm blind, here's the page. And we know that I can have something right in front of my face and not see it because I've proved that in past videos. You guys have helped me. Yeah, so it's not even listed. So I guess they just threw it in the box. I have no idea. And I wouldn't use that. Nope. So maybe my daughter will. And they're probably going to say this is probably some $60. Oh, here it is, 5A. Oh, I'm wrong. $28 for this glitter oil. Apply this antioxidant-rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. So all you're doing is glitterifying your skin, and then you have to try and scrub it off later. I'm kind of cynical today, aren't I? I am very sorry. So anyway, so there's that. That is supposedly $28. I picked this out though. And this is it on the other page? Yes. The Verso Super Eye Serum. Energized tired skin around the eyes and target signs of aging with retinol. I need all the help around my eyes I can get, so that's why I picked this out. This is supposedly $65 for this little tube. 0.67 fluid ounces. So, $65. What do the directions say? I guess I'm going to put some of this on tonight and maybe it'll firm something up. I'll try it all over because I need to firm everything up. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Alright. This, I certainly would not have picked because we can get these at the Dollar Tree. They say that this right here, this Sorbus Cosmetic Organizer case, according to them, is $30. Again, this is something we can get at the Dollar Tree. For $1. The only thing is it's got daisies on there. That is the only difference. So, I could even go to Tuesday morning and not pay $30. I think you might pay $6.99 for this at Tuesday morning. So, there we go. Here, we got that. Oh, we'll stick that over there. Oh, here, let's stick our little puffs. Yeah, $30 for that piece of plastic. Now this, I am excited for. And they say that this is worth $35. Now, I would not pay $35 for this, but I am going to say that I do think it is very well made. They're calling it a lunch, $45 off with code LUNCHMONEY at FromOurPlace.com. Okay. Basically, it's a bento box, is all it is. It's a bento box. I'm going to tell you, this is probably one of the nicest bento boxes I have seen. I love that they use this little piece of elastic here that holds the lid down. It has a good, told you, it's got a good seal on it. It is from Our Place. It comes, look at that, it comes with all your utensils. Is that? There we go. We got chopsticks, knife, spoon, fork. We got a little hole here, I think, for steaming, if you want to heat it up. Hold on. Well, it's not going to leak, that is for sure. Hold on. I didn't open it up all the way. Okay. Alright. So. Oops. So I guess you can put something down low on the bottom. I don't know how much you can put down there. But this does kind of sit up a little bit. And then you put your food in there. Put your little top on. It's a nice, great for, I would say, portion control. The seal is pretty awesome. I love the color. I love the feel. It's really soft. Oh, here we go. So I'm excited about this. This is, for me, this is my score. And what did I say that they said this was? They said it was $35. So I'm very happy with that. Now, choices. I'm glad they didn't send me that because they have sent those in boxes in the past. Those are the Cow Pack set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet. And that came, I think, about 2 years ago in one of the boxes. 1F Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. Yeah. I almost got that. I'm glad I didn't. That was supposedly $60. I'm not really big into daisies, so I guess daisies was the theme because you can see it all over the place. I do think that this hyacinth tray is cute, and I would have loved these little coasters over here. But supposedly those 4 coasters is $35, which I think that's a joke as well. 2F. The Steel Mill and Company To-Do Planning Bundle. Keep track of your to-do list and appointments in this stylish notebook. I would have used that. I would have used the makeup brushes. I would have been all over the fuzzy slippers. But I would not have paid $48 for fuzzy slippers. So I don't get some of where they get the prices for some of this stuff. I think sometimes the pricing is wishful thinking. I would have preferred this Ahava cleansing gel or this little like go-getter bag or the tweezers. I love tweezers. I'm a tweezer junkie. We have a papaya enzyme peel here we could have chosen, or a Grown Alchemist body cream in mandarin and rosemary leaf. So we have 6 Charlie, which is Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. This oil features spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. And then you got this floss. I'm a nut about flossing the teeth, so I probably would have been happy with that. The Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio. This floss is woven with grime-grabbing fibers to keep your teeth and gums healthy. So anywho, if y'all want to check out FabFit Fun, I'll put a link down below. It will be a referral link. Now, I do buy these boxes myself. They don't send it to me to review. If they did, they wouldn't be happy because we already know I kind of thumbs down a lot in here. Something on this page is something about a spring edit sale. I have no idea. But I want to try that True and Luscious eyeshadow primer. I like that little Mila compact mirror. I'm digging that. Could care less about those earrings. I think they're ugly. I'm all about... Oh, all that is a stand. Tech Candy. I'm a phone stand. Okay. And I love this. I think this is so pretty. This little makeup organizer cabinet. That I could see being $30. But not that thing. Anywho, I hope y'all like my review. I always tell you whether I like something or not. Like I said, I think that is a laughing joke. Some people would be super ecstatic about that, but I wouldn't. It wouldn't even touch my makeup counter. So, yeah. Anyway, any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If your comments are ugly, they will be deleted. I have decided my channel is strictly a positive channel. And if my viewers come here for the positivity and the camaraderie that we have and lifting each other up. So if you're going to be ugly, I'm going to delete you. So, with that, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.